Hello again, all of my friends in commerce, and welcome to January 9th, 2025. And today I want to talk about how business networking AI is creating nearly perfect networking and a nearly perfect networking week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, by combining things like ETV Global Media for both local and national and even global networking, and hyper-local news for business networkers. Now, today I really want to help you to understand how you can tap into the hearts and minds of the world's top experts, because you can grab a transcript from their YouTube channel, which you can use to kind of summarize what they have to say to help people, almost like Cliff's Notes, to understand if they want to invest the time into watching the entire video. Now, I happen to be a big fan of Ed Mylett and his real estate success. And here he talks about branding in a YouTube video that I want to spotlight for you. So what I did, so you understand how best to use business networking AI, is you use AI in what its strength is, and that is in language. Well, when you can take a transcript from a YouTube video, you have a powerful tool to help create a summary, and that you can blend in your branding with the branding of other people that you are promoting with kind of a trailer course about a YouTube video. So that's what I'm going to be concentrating on today. I saw a really great interview with Ed Mylett on a branding expert, and you'll learn more in the summary here that I can create, and then you can decide if this is something that you want to learn about branding as a local professional. Now, in this case, it talks about branding local realtors, because Ed Mylett is in real estate, and the branding expert that he networked with is also talks about branding. So what we really want to do is bring those two things together in this summary so that you can understand how to use AI tools, but also how to blend it with nearly perfect networking, which for me brings the best of in-person networking locally and learning AI globally, and evolving into the world of AI through networking and over time. So as you are busy networking, you are also learning about AI at the same time, and keeping your mind and heart grounded firmly in the future of AI and the future of you. Okay, let's get started. I think this will become self-explanatory about how business networking AI is creating nearly perfect networking with ETV Global Media and Hyperlocal News. Now, you're looking at my favorite content generation automation system called Gamma, and I'm going to use a transcript from a YouTube video about branding local real estate professionals from Ed Mylett, who is a world-class expert and a proven real estate guru. I want to focus on him, but I want to give you a short highlight and also teach you about how to create short trailers for videos from experts, and also about you. So we're really kind of multitasking, and this is Gamma, and I want to show you what I can do with Gamma in an AI minute, as I call it. And this is part of me being able to communicate with business networkers, generating a course and show and tell at the same time. So I come to my app Gamma. I've already visited one of my ChatGPT networking group of advisors, as I call them, because that includes some of the offspring of ChatGPT, such as Claude.ai, Perplexity AI, and Copilot from Microsoft. So I look at them as kind of my board of advisors, because like a CEO has a board of advisors, every day I go to my advisors, who are my bots, so that I can take the creativity of my right brain from what I learned each day and checking in and following up with myself. I can take what I learned in my right brain, put it into my board of directors, my ChatGPT networking group, put it in there, and then consume the output for my left brain to really put the rubber to the road and make it work in nearly perfect networking. So that's a quick explanation of what I do. I've already put it into ChatGPT, and now I'm going to show you how I can instantly create content, and that can be an info kit if you're a realtor, or it could be a course, it could be a story, it could be almost anything. So, or a website, and how good and effective is your website. So today I'm going to create a story course about Ed Mylett and what he talked about for real estate branding in the YouTube video. And then you can decide if you want to watch the YouTube video, but you also are learning how to create content with a transcript from a YouTube video. So let's create a web page as a trailer for the Ed Mylett YouTube video about branding. And I'm going to use the output for a summary, like I say, like Cliff's Notes. I'm going to put it right in here, and then you're going to watch me be able to create a website. Okay, without further ado, let me show you how I can paste in the summary from the YouTube transcript right into my AI automation bot. I'm going to paste it in there. The truth about personal branding, a professional's guide, with Rory, insights from Rory Vaden, a branding expert. So let's see how quickly we can generate a summary of a trailer, kind of giving you a course outline. So we're going to generate this, and here we go. We already have the summary of the video trailer. It's not the full video, so we want to introduce you to it so that you can understand what's in it. We're going to have some visuals for the little mini trailer course here, storytelling guide. And now I'm going to show you how I can use this to tell stories as an introduction. So this is why AI can create nearly perfect networking. Now, I get to customize this. I'm going to keep it short and sweet because this is an AI daily food for thought. And I like to keep things simple. I like to focus on being able to tell a story and teaching at the same time. So this is the way that Gamma works, how quickly in an AI minute it can create a course. The truth about branding, and it's going to give us the outline, and it's going to give us some visuals that you can't really see in a sit-down YouTube or just two people are talking. So this gives you a chance to look at multimedia presentation about it, and then I can embed the actual YouTube video right into this summary course. So you can read it, learn more about Ed and Rory, and you can learn how to create content at the same time. I always love to tell the story about using a metaphor about a high-rise building that can take you up to where you want to go, starting with the first floor, measuring and refining your personal branding. If you are a local professional, realtor, why is this important? You may not think this is important, but you get to learn about measuring authenticity, and this can also serve as a reminder of things. This course, if you decide to watch the video, then you can come back and review the course notes, which we're sharing here with you, and how to leverage content and social media strategically. And that's what local business networking is all about. So we're going to kind of give you this summary here. I think this is important if you are a local professional, because I believe in networking locally and learning AI globally, and that's what we're sharing today. We're also going to talk about nearly perfect networking, so you can show ways to demonstrate to people how much you care, and that's important because they don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Demystifying personal branding. What does it mean? How can you use it? These are people who have succeeded at the highest levels. And so this is how quickly I can create a story course summary of the YouTube video, which I will place right inside of this trailer for you so that you can watch the video and get right to the source material. But wait, there's more. I'm also going to publish a website. So I want you to see how business networking AI is creating nearly perfect networking. So let me hit this button. We'll take a look at the actual website, and here we go. This is the site. And now I can post the link to this right into Patch Local Media for free publicity, free advertising, and exposure on a local basis, and we can expand through Patch and YouTube together into a very powerful one-two punch so that you can understand the truth about personal branding, about local networking, a professional's guide, and building your brand locally, but also about learning AI globally. So that's kind of the thought for the day. I'm going to put the YouTube video right inside of this course, and I'm going to post this video on YouTube and also in Patch Local Media. So this is part of learning the steps day by day for the nearly perfect networking week that for me starts on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Thursday, and I am going through the steps. You can take this one step a day or do all 5 steps every day if you want to really scale up your business faster, or if you want to scale it slower or at your own pace. Take a look at the video now if this makes sense and if this is of interest to you.